Hello friends, welcome back to my tarot reading channel, Mamta's Spiritual Radiance. This reading is for the star sign Taurus for the month of July 2021. Friends, this is going to be a general reading and I do hope that it resonates with you. If it does, do let me know your thoughts, your comments and feedback. You can also let me know how different you would want me to do or for what different questions you would want me to do the reading the next time. And I do hope that you like and subscribe to this channel. So to begin with, as usual, I have taken out a Signifactor card from the Angels Tarot deck, and the card that I got for this month for Taurus is Unity, or the card known as Hierophant. Now this card says that probably you currently are going through a lot of mental turmoil wherein you're trying to get the right answers to a current situation, but you're finding a bit difficulty out there, and that's the reason you're trying to get some help from people around you, or you're trying to get some help from the God or divine intervention by going to spiritual places. Now I would like to understand, why are you into this situation? The situation is because you recently have started something that you have waited a very long time, and it was a project or an activity that you have loved a lot, and it seems that you have invested a lot. So this was a recent past wherein you have just started something new, and what currently is happening is probably the picture is not very clear to you. Though you have started something, you do not know wherein your sources or the raw materials are coming out from, or how would you be able to cater it to the person the raw materials or the end product is supposed to go. You are not sure about all the paperwork involved, and just because you're not sure about it, you hesitate or you fear that someone may not be guiding you correctly, or that you may do some errors. So yes, in the current scenario, there is a caution for you, there is a warning for you, that try to read all the documents or all the signing papers that you may come across carefully, because the picture may not be entirely clear to you, or someone might be hiding some things from you, or someone is not being totally loyal or truthful to you. Now while I say that this could be the circumstances around you, this could also be your energy. For some of you, it could also be your energy, just because you're not opening up to people around you, just because you're not laying all your cards out there, you're also finding it difficult to deal with the situations that you have in hand, because you are required to take certain actions out there. But since you have not told everyone about all the background there, you're not able to take those required actions. Due to this internal turmoil or the mental turmoil, what you feel is, you feel that you are stuck into some place. You are not able to take any decisions yourself. You do not get any clarity as to how to come out of the situation, which it seems that you yourself have laid. What you need to do is, you need to be very clear, or you need to be talking to yourself more. Tell yourself what is the right thing to do, and then plan how to go about it. Not everything would be to your liking or to the people around you, but it's you. You need to realize that you can very easily break away this bond. You can open this blindfold that you have, and then you can see the things clearly. The reason you're not able to take clear decision is because there are multiple, if this happens, then what am I going to do? What if this happens this way? All these ifs are created by you. All these ifs are there because first, you're not yourself sure whether what you're doing or whether you're on the right path. Second, since you have not been open, or since you have not been very frank to people around you, you fear that what if you come and disclose something, what their reaction would be to you. What you need to do is definitely seek out help from people. Take their advice who might have gone through the similar situation. Now this situation could be anything. It could be related to your job, it could be the project that you're working upon, or the personal relationships at house. What you need to do is, you can definitely take help from a grown-up person around you. It could be a fatherly figure, or it could be any elder relatives or an elder friend who must have definitely gone through this difficult similar scenarios. What you need to do is definitely try to approach this situation slowly again, but move away from the situation, because in the past, what the card that I got for you is 9 of Pentacles. This is a very stand still card. It means that you did all the preparation to move ahead into a particular scenario or to move ahead in a situation, but you're not able to move forward because of this fears and concerns that you have in your mind. And unless you liberate yourself from all this self-created self-doubting scenarios, you may not be able to take the first step. Once you're able to make up your mind that you need to come clear with all the facts to people around you, or to colleagues around you, or to your bosses around you, or the partners that you might be working with, you would be able to proceed or be able to take the next step in your project. Now, when I talk about project or offices or colleagues out here, what I can say is that this particular energy for some of you might relate to your love relations as well. It seems that you may have invested into some relationship, and you've just started it by expressing your interest into someone, but after that you're at a standstill. You're not able to move ahead, or you're not able to progress into that relationship. Why? Because definitely you have not been very truthful to your partner, or you suspect that the partner has not been very truthful to you, and that's the reason, with these doubts in your mind, you're not able to take a clear decision as to how to go about it. What you need to do in the scenario is that you need to act mature. Don't be very young fellow who's just started with some relationship and who's just going in for a fling. No, you have to take mature decisions out here, and then decide for yourself what is the greater good, what is the most noble thing to do out here, and then proceed with that. I do hope that with this kind of approach, with this kind of mindset, you might definitely have a fruitful outcome out of this scenarios. Now, since I have been getting all of doubtful situations here, all of uncanny scenarios for you, I would like to do a clarifier for all these 5 cards that I have here. And I'm doing the clarifier again from the Angels Tarot deck. Now, the cards that I'm getting here for each of the cards here is, to begin with, the Hermit again. Spend some time in quiet meditation, spiritual teaching, and self-discovery. So the main requirement or the main need of the hour is that, yes, you need to think over your approach. You need to think how are you dealing with people around you, and try to be fair. Try to be fair in your dealings with the people. Try to do justice to people around you, because something is not being done right, or something is not being done right to you. Now, what you need to do is, again, I have the Knight of Cups out here. When I clarified the other cards, I again got the Knight of Cups here. So what does the Knight of Cups says? That probably you will proceed with your interest. Probably you will go ahead with the interest or the love interest that you have, only when you clear your doubts. And again, once you do that, once you're able to overcome your fear, once you're able to clear the doubts, or come open, or come disclose all the correct facts to people around, it would be your victory. If you're fearing that you might lose someone just because you tell them something which you have been hiding so far, don't be afraid. If you disclose everything, it's gonna be your victory. You will definitely be appreciated for your honesty out there, for your right approach to bring about the right outcomes here. Now, what I feel is that when we need to discuss with people out here, or the elders in your family, you need to be confident. The only reason you're not able to reach out to seek help or the guidance from people is because you doubt yourself. You feel that I do not know whether they will understand my situation correctly or not, or whether they would be able to give me the right decisions. So what you need to do is, first you need to have confidence or belief in yourself. Feel the rightness of the situation or the actions that you're about to do, and then go ahead and talk to these people. You need to leave your comfort zone. You need to come out of your own private space in order to do so. You're required to do something which is not expected of you, which is not you. You have been very narrow-minded, you have been very secretive or conservative in your approaches so far. So what you need to do is come out of this zone, and you definitely need some help somewhere. You can reach out to your friends, you can reach out to someone in the family. For most of you, I think it's going to be your elder brother or your father who would give you the right advice regarding the situations that you're dealing with. And once you do that, definitely it would be a good time for you. Once you connect with the friends in order to take advice, you would also realize that these people were always there in your life. They always had the eagerness to help you out. They always had the loving bond with you. It was you who was restricting yourself, and by restricting yourself, you were limiting all your options. You were the barrier, you were the hindrance to your own growth, to your own progress, or to your own ambitions or the wishes that you wanted to be fulfilled for you. So overall, what I feel is, Taurus, the month of July is a lot of mental clash for you. You are not able to take decisions out there, but you need to understand a helping hand is always nearby. You just need to reach out to people, seek their advice, and if in case you are cheating on someone or you're not giving the right picture or the complete picture to someone, it would be better if you come forthright and clear the air around you. So Taurus, I do hope this session helps you, and if in case you want to have more clarity, more deeper understanding around the situations that you're going through in the month of July, which will definitely start from the end of June for you, definitely reach out to me. I'll be happy to do the readings for you, the personal readings, and to the general population out here. If this reading does resonate with you, do like and subscribe to this channel. Please also share your comments. Let me know how else or in what different ways you may want to have this reading done for you. Till the next time, wish you all the best and God bless. Bye-bye.